Hello everyone and welcome to this video on spring onion. In India, onions are possibly available in every house, right? We had some onions at home and we tried growing it during COVID-19 lockdown. The best part of growing spring onion is you just need a space for a 20-liter water can. What? Are you serious? You bet we are. Here's what we did. We used an old plastic water can. You can use any plastic container that is available to you. We drilled a few holes alternatively, maybe around 50 with 10 centimeters space between each hole. We then mix the soil. It can be half portion of good soil and half portion of manure. The filling procedure is very simple. Fill the can with soil till the first layer of holes. Insert an onion into each of the holes and then fill another layer of soil till the next layer of holes. Follow the same method till the top of the can. Onions can be planted horizontally at the top layer. Water it and watch it grow in a few days. You can get the first cutting in and around 15 days approximately.